Ninth Standard Political Science, Chapter 5, Indian Election System. Exercises. First main, fill up the blanks. First one, the electoral roll is revised dash year. Answer is every year. Second one, the public election campaign comes to an end before dash hours to election day. Answer is 48. Third one, the recognition to political parties is accorded by dash. Answer is the Election Commission. Fourth one, the independence of journalism is protected by dash. Answer is Press Council of India. Second main, answer the following questions briefly. First one, write a note on electoral roll. The voters list is the list which contains the names and certain other details of the voters. It is also called the electoral roll. The electoral roll is prepared by the Election Commission much before the elections. Electoral roll is revised every year. At the time of revision, the names of those who have attained the age of 18 are included and the names of the dead are deleted. Electoral roll helps the polling officials to identify the voters. The electoral photo identity cards or EPIC are issued to all the eligible voters by the Election Commission to prevent impersonation. These are all about electoral roll. Second one, prove that political parties are the link between elected representatives and people. Political parties are necessary in the democratic setup. Political parties are the link between representatives, government, and the people. They play a major role in formulating policies for social and economic progress. Political parties become a training ground to develop leadership qualities. The political party that commands majority in the lower house, that is Lok Sabha at the center, and the Legislative Assembly at the state level form the government. The party that forms the government is called the ruling party. The party that commands the second position is called the opposition party. The minor political parties or independents can support either the ruling party or the opposition on their own. Due to all these reasons, political parties are considered as the link between elected representatives and people. Third one, write a note on coalition governments. Many political parties participate in the elections to secure power. If they get the majority, they form government. Many a time, no party gets the required majority to form the government. Such a situation is called hung parliament or hung assembly. In such a situation, some of the political parties join together and make alliances to get the required majority to form the government. Such alliance is called post-poll alliance. At certain times, two or more than two parties join together and make alliance before the elections. This type of alliance is called pre-poll alliance. Such a government formed with the cooperation of different political parties is called coalition government. The political parties of coalition government share power by joining Council of Ministers. At certain times, they do not share power but support coalition government. This type of support is called outside support. These are all about the coalition governments.